It's the rain and it's coming straight for us! Run, everybody! Save yourself!
Oh my God, I can see it hitting off the road. Here it comes. No, seriously, like we're in a, not a hurricane, but
tornado.
What's it called? A tornado. We're in a tornado right now. Look at that. Oh my God, we're totally shaking. Oh my God. We were just outside, Marty. We were just there. Oh my God. It is freaking pouring outside. Did you feel the whole car shaking? Oh my God. Did you see the lightning? Did you get the lightning? Oh my God. This is crazy. God, oh my God. It is flooding. It is flooding out there. It's totally flooding. I'm not kidding. There is a flood. We are in a flood. I'm serious. We're in a flood. This is a flood. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. Look at me. It's very, oh my God. It's totally, I can't even see the road anymore. Oh my God. We got stuff happening. Oh my God.